Hello everyone, I am P. Alaitha, MSc MPhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sakti College of Arts and Science Forum, Pottanchatra, Dindikal, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to discuss about PHP data types. The PHP data types is variables can store data of different types and different data types can do different things. PHP support the following data types: string, integer, float, booleans, array, object, null, resource. This type of data types: logical, complex, numeric, character, integer, raw. The type of data types in PHP: three types of data types. First one is scalar data type, composite data type, special data type. First one is scalar data type: integer, string, floating point numbers or doubles, booleans. Second one is composite data type, array and object. Then last one is special data types, null and resource. The scalar data types is to create a variables or constants as a single value declaration. First one is PHP string. A string is a sequence of characters like hello world. A string can be any text inside quotes. You can use a single or double quotes. Example of the PHP string. So open tag and close tag for the PHP. Less than question mark PHP is a open tag for PHP, and then closing for PHP tag. Question mark greater than symbol. Dollar symbol x, dollar symbol y is a two integer variable. So dollar symbol x equal to hello world is a double quotes of single variable string variables. Double quotes the inside of the hello world is a string statement. Then second one is dollar symbol y equal to single quotes hello world single quotes. So single quotes in a string variable declaration. First one is double quotes declaration and then second one is single quote declarations. Single or double quotes is called a PHP string. See echo statement of the input statement dollar symbol x and dollar symbol y. Two type of statement assigned to the echo statement. Then echo statement double quotes break then called a BR open tag close tag. So including the BR statement is a break statement. So closing for the tag inside of the program. So as output of the hello world. So single or double quotes to inside of the output of the program's hello world is called a string statement. Then second one is PHP integer. An integer data type is a non-decimal number between -2, 147, 483, 648 and 2, 147, 483, 647 is a two type of integer variable for positive or negative value declarations. So rules of the integers: so must have at least only one digit value declaration. So not have a decimal point. So can be either positive or negative values. So integers can be specified in base of decimal, hexadecimal, octal or binary. So decimal base of 10, hexadecimal base of 16, octal base for 8 and last one is binary base of 2. The example of the dollar symbol x integer variable declarations. So where var variable single quotes dollar symbol dump functions return the data type to include the function statement. So variable underscore dump functions is the calculation of the dollar x integer variable declarations. So example of the variable declarations. So open tag for close tag PHP open dollar symbol x equal to variable declaration of the integer variable 5985 is called a dump statement is the dump functions. The variable underscore dump function inside of the parathins is including the 5885 is including the integer variable declarations. Then PHP float. A floating point number is a number with a decimal point or a number in exponential form. In the following example, $x is a float. The PHP variable underscore temp function return the data type and values. The example of the float function: PHP open tag for close tag, and then integer declaration $x equal to 10.365 is called a floating point number. So variable declaration for var underscore temp open close parathins $x including the 10.365. Then PHP Boolean. A Boolean represents two possible states, true or false statement. So it's called a value of true or false statement. $x and then $y. $x is equal to true, $y is equal to false. Booleans are often used conditional testing. We will learn more about the conditional testing. Then PHP array. An array stores multiple values is one single variable. So example of the $symbol cause in array. The PHP variable underscore temp functions return the data type of and value. The example of the PHP arrays: open tag for close tag PHP, $symbol cause is equal to array statement, open close parentheses, and then double quotes of string characters Volvo, BMW, and then Toyota. A car to declaration of the variable string statement. So variable underscore temp open close parentheses $symbol of cars including the Volvo, BMW, Toyota cars. Then PHP object. Classes and objects are the two main aspects of object-oriented programming. A class is a template for object, and an object is an instance of a class. A new class of named car. A car have properties like model, colors, etc. The individual object of called Volvo, BMW, Toyota, and then etc. To inherit the all properties and behavior from the classes, to create a construct functions, so PHP will automatically call the functions to create an object from a class. The last one is PHP null value. Null is a special data type which can have only one value, is a null character value. A variable of data type null is a variable that has no value assigned to it. Variable is created without a value, so automatically assign a value of a null value. So the example of the value for null: example, open tag close tag PHP $symbol x and then $symbol x. To inside of the two declaration integer variable called the x. So $symbol x equal to hello world. Then second one is $symbol x equal to null. So variable declaration for temp functions, open close parentheses inside the $symbol x including the hello world inside of the function is a null character, means no value assigned in the PHP value. Then PHP resource. The special type of resource is not an actual data type. It's the storing of a reference to functions and a resource external to PHP. A common example of the using resource data type in a database call. This type of the predefined data type and then descriptions. First one is int, float, numeric, string, pool, object, and null. This type of the predefined data types. Int value for the integers or not. Then float for not. To check the value of numeric value is called a integer or float. String is a value of string or not, boolean or not, and then object value values of object or not, and then last one is null. The check value is null or not value declaration is a predefined data types declarations. Then PHP has 4 scalar type, 4 compound types, and 2 special type. Scalar type compound type and then special type. First one scalar type, compound type, last one is special type. So this type of 4 scalar type and 4 compound types and 2 special type. Thank you.